You can complete multiple pothole repairs in one session to save time and resources when you plan and work efficiently. Start by cleaning and preparing every pothole before mixing any material so you can move through repairs without interruption. For each hole, remove loose debris and dry the base as much as possible using a broom and a brush. This ensures adhesion and prevents premature failure. Use tarmac that is warm or at room temperature wherever possible because cold material is harder to compact and bonds poorly. If you bought cold pack material, let it warm in a covered container for a short period. Mix only the quantity you can place and compact within 10 minutes so the material does not cool and become unworkable. Keep small hand tools and a tamping tool close at hand to avoid delays. Work from one hole to the next in a systematic sequence so you are always moving toward a supply station and do not cross-contaminate finished patches. After compacting every patch, apply a thin sealing bead around the edges with additional tarmac or a cold asphalt sealer to reduce water ingress and edge crumbling. 3 common mistakes are trying to repair wet or dirty holes, which causes poor bonding and premature patch failure, so always clean and dry the area before placing material. Another mistake is working with cold or stiff tarmac, which is difficult to compact and leads to voids. Let the material reach a workable temperature and mix small batches to avoid cooling. The third mistake is under-compacting patches or skipping edge sealing, which allows water to re-enter and break down the patch. So use firm, repeated tamping, and finish with a sealed edge to protect the repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical project information related to pothole repair and other home exterior work. We also host a discussion community where users and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real job experiences to help plan and execute repairs more efficiently.